Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a perfect restaurant style gobi manchurian and it's a very easy recipe. So without making any further delay, let's get started. To make this recipe, here I have taken 1 cup of cauliflower or gobi florets, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 4 tablespoons of maida or plain flour, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, salt as per taste, 1 small size onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of spring onions for garnishing and oil for deep frying. Let's see the preparation method. The first step is to boil the gobi florets. So for that here I have taken around 4 cups of water. Now the water is medium hot. Let's add in the gobi and 2 tablespoons of salt and boil it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the gobi is boiled. Let's take it out into a separate plate. The next step is to make batter for gobi. So for that take a mixing bowl and add in maida, corn flour, red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add in the water a little at a time, making sure to stir well to get rid of any lumps and make a thick batter. Now the batter is ready. Let's add in the florets which we have boiled earlier and mix well. To deep fry the gobi, here I have kept some oil and the oil is medium hot. Let's add in the gobi one by one carefully. Now fry them for 5 to 6 minutes till they become crispy and golden brown. Now this is done. Let's take it out on an absorbing tissue paper and continue frying the rest. We have to double fry the gobi to make it even more crispy. So for that, heat the oil in a high flame and add in the gobi pieces again. Now fry them for 30 seconds and then take it out. The gobi is ready. Now it's time to make the sauce. For the sauce, add in around 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan, or you can also use kadai or wok if you want to. And once the oil is heated up, add in chopped ginger and garlic, onions and fry them for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now it's time to add the sauces: red chilli sauce, tomato ketchup and soya sauce. Mix it well and cook for another 1 minute. Meanwhile, let's make corn flour slurry. So for that, take a bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Now add in about half a cup of water and corn flour slurry. Give it a good mix. As you can see that the gravy has started to get thick, now it's time to add gobi pieces. Give them a good mix and make sure that the sauce covers every bit of cauliflower. And finally, add some spring onions on top of it. That's it. Our delicious gobi manchurian is done and ready. Enjoy it with noodles, fried rice or as a snack. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.